Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make these sweet little Christmas trees in the pots. And I think they look really nice, and they've got like tiny little baubles and there's little diamonds on there as well. I absolutely love Christmas, and Christmas starts just after bonfire night for us because we love Christmas that much. These are really easy and simple to make and cost next to nothing, just like all my other projects. It's like the trees over there, the tall tree cost me 50p to make, and the other ones are sticks, and you can also see them on my channel if you want to go through that. But if you want to know how I made these little beauties, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first you'll need is some peat pots. Now I bought these from Poundland and you get 48 of them, which I thought was an absolute bargain. So we're just going to need 3 of them, and we're going to paint them white. Now you can use any paint for this. You can use emulsion paint, but I use this garden paint because this covers everything. It covers wood, brick, terracotta, metal. So I use this with all of my crafts. And we're going to paint the inside of the rim as well. We're going to give these 2 coats. Next you'll need some conifer branches. Now I've taken these off my tree in my back garden, and all I've done is just strip the ends off, all the leaves that were here. I've stripped them all off. So that's going to be our trees. So now we need to decorate them. Now this is the fun bit. Now I bought this from Poundland, and they're like self-adhesive little diamonds, and they are beautiful. So I'm just going to take these off and actually just stick them straight on. Now I've got a few beads here. I'm going to put some tiny little beads on. It's just with the glue gun. And then press down. Or you can put a bit of glue on the actual stem and place them on. Now our little pots are all nice and dry, and they've had 2 coats of paint. We're just going to put a little bit of detail just round the rim. So glue gun. I'm just going to put it to the top of the rim, all the way around. I'm going to cut. Glue. Now we're going to put our tree into our little pot. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some glue in the very base. And we're going to put the tree, little tree, right where the glue is. And it's going to be right in the middle, so we just need to hold that until it's dry. So now we're just going to put some small little rocks. This is just to secure it and just make it a bit stronger at the bottom, and also it adds a bit of weight, so then it won't actually fall over. That's nice and secure. And to make it look like it's got a bit of snow, we're just going to use a bit of cotton wool. I'm just going to place that on the top. And that also hides the stones as well. So the last little bit what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of extra decoration. Now I absolutely adore hearts, and I think they're the most special thing in the world, and I've got lots and lots of videos all about hearts. So I'm just going to put a tiny little bit of glue, and then we're just going to put a beautiful little heart on there, and I think that just makes it lovely. thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember that Christmas decorations don't have to cost a fortune. You don't always have to buy them from the shops. You can always have a go yourself, and I think sometimes it's that little bit extra special when you've made them yourselves, especially if you've made them with the kids as well. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell, because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.